बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. This is class 3 and the period is ICT and this is video number 2. Week number is 3 and 4. In this video we will start our chapter number 2 which is more about pants. So first you make the title page of chapter number 2 more about pants. Alright. In this chapter we will discuss these topics. The first one is Microsoft Paint. What is Microsoft Paint? Okay. Next one is how to move and copy our object. Number 3 is undo and redo commands. Fourth one is rotate or flip a drawing. All right. Next one is resize a drawing. Skew our drawing. Set as a desktop background. And the last one is zoom in and zoom out options. Okay friends, we will discuss this topic practically. How can we operate Microsoft Paint? What is Microsoft Paint? Microsoft Paint is a simple drawing program of the computer which we can use to draw a picture, coloring, editing and then save in your computer. So look at the definition of Microsoft Paint. Microsoft, MS stands for Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint is a simply drawing program of the computer. Okay. Drawing program of the computer which allow us to create pictures, files, editing, coloring and then saving your computer. Okay, by the help of Microsoft Paint program you can draw a picture, coloring, editing. What is the means of editing? Editing means करेक्शन, मीन्स आप अपनी पिक्चर जो भी आपने ड्रॉ करा है उसकी साइज में इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं, डिक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं, उसका एंगल को भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द एडिटिंग. तो ये सब प्रोग्राम आप बाय द हेल्प ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पेंट कर सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन टॉपिक इज हाउ टू मूव एंड कॉपी ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, आप अपनी ऑब्जेक्ट को यानी अपनी पिक्चर को किस तरह से मूव और कॉपी कर सकते हैं. सो देयर आर टू ऑप्शन टू कॉपी एंड मूव योर ऑब्जेक्ट. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज how to move and copy object. यानी आप किस तरह से अपनी पिक्चर को, अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को किस तरह मूव कर सकते हैं और कॉपी कर सकते हैं. सो देयर आर टू ऑप्शन. द फर्स्ट वन इज कट एंड पेस्ट, कट एंड पेस्ट, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज कॉपी एंड पेस्ट. ओके, now where we can use cut option and where we can use copy option. So the cut option is used to remove the picture from its original position. cut option क्यों यूज करते हैं? जब आपको अपनी पिक्चर को उसकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन से हटाकर उसको दूसरे फोल्डर में सेव करना होता है. सो यू कैन यूज द कट ऑप्शन. एंड कॉपी ऑप्शन इज यूज टू गेट अ डुप्लीकेट. कॉपी ऑप्शन आप क्यों यूज करते हैं? जब आपको अपनी पिक्चर की एक और उसी तरह से ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए होता है, उसी की बिल्कुल सेम, तो यू कैन यूज द कॉपी ऑप्शन. There are two methods. The first one is cut and paste. As I told you that cut option is used to remove the picture from its original position. So look at the definition of cut. Cut option. Cut option is used to remove the picture from its original position. ठीक है. Now what are the steps? The first one is Step 1. First click the select option. Click the select option. You can use first click the select option. You can see the select option in the image group. Here you can see the select option. First click the select option. Then drag your mouse and select the area, select the part which you want to be cut. The next step number 2 is drag your mouse and select the part okay, select the part which you want to be cut. So just write select the part. जो भी आपने part select किया है, जो भी आपको कट करना है जिस पार्ट को, फर्स्ट टू select the part. And the step number 3 is that then click the cut option. Click cut option. Cut option is also available in the clipboard. ठीक है, you can see in the ribbon. ठीक है, और रिबन पर आप देख सकते हैं क्लिपबोर्ड में क्लिप कट ऑप्शन मौजूद है. सो यू कैन क्लिक द कट ऑप्शन. एंड देन स्टेप नंबर 4 इज क्लिक द पेस्ट ऑप्शन. देन क्लिक द पेस्ट ऑप्शन. पेस्ट ऑप्शन क्लिक करने से क्या होगा, जो भी चीज आपने, जो भी पार्ट आपने ड्राइंग का कट किया है वो आपका पेस्ट ऑप्शन में सेव होगा. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द मेथड टू कट एंड पेस्ट. नाउ लुक एट द सेकंड मेथड विच इज कॉपी एंड पेस्ट. कॉपी एंड पेस्ट. कॉपी ऑप्शन इज यूज टू गेट अ डुप्लीकेट. डुप्लीकेट करने के लिए अपनी पिक्चर को यू कैन यूज द कॉपी ऑप्शन. सो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कॉपी ऑप्शन इज दैट copy option is used to get a duplicate. ओके, अपनी पिक्चर को डुप्लीकेट करने के लिए यू कैन यूज द कॉपी ऑप्शन. स्टेप्स आर सेम. ओके, स्टेप दोनों के ही सेम है. फर्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 1, जो भी आपने काम करना है फर्स्ट क्लिक द सिलेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, स्टेप नंबर 1 इज फर्स्ट क्लिक द सिलेक्ट ऑप्शन. And the step number 2 is then drag your mouse and select the part which you want to be duplicate, which you want to be copy, which you want to be duplicate. So you drag your mouse and select the part. Okay. After this, after selection the part, the step number 3 is click the copy option. Copy option is also available in the clipboard. You can see here. ठीक है, cut option के नीचे देखिए there is copy option. So then you click the copy option. And after that you click the paste option. Paste option is used to save your picture. Okay, paste command में क्या होता है, paste option में आपकी जो भी पिक्चर आपने कट करी या कॉपी करी वो उस पेस्ट में उसके उस कमांड में आपकी क्या होती है, सेव होती है. सो यू क्लिक द पेस्ट ऑप्शन. Okay sir, so these are two methods to move and copy your object. Now we move towards our practical. Okay friends, now let's move towards our computer and let's see how can we operate Paint program. Okay friends, this is the monitor, the output device, and the colorful screen which you can see on the monitor with small pictures. This is called the desktop, and these small pictures are called the icons. Now let's start to operate Paint program. You can see a horizontal bar on the below of the monitor. This is called the taskbar. On the left corner you can see a start button. Click the start button. Start menu appear. You can see here there is the Paint program. Click this Paint program. The Paint tab is available in your monitor. Now let's start to draw a picture. You can see a ribbon on the top of your tab. This is called the ribbon, which is divided into different groups. The first one is clipboard, the second one is image. You can see here select, crop, resize and rotate option, and in the tool group you can see pencil, eraser, text box, fill box, brushes, ठीक है, जिसकी आपको नीड होती है ड्राइंग करने के लिए. And in the next group you can see different type of shapes like square, circle, rectangle, triangle and many other more. And there is the color group. ठीक है, यहाँ से आप different color देख सकते हैं, white, black and different color. In the clipboard group you can see cut, copy and paste option. Alright, now start for drawing. Select the shape. First click the select option. ठीक है. Before starting your picture, first click the select option, then select a shape like a square. Look at it, and now drag your mouse and draw a square. Okay. Now select another shape. All right. Now make inner. You can see here there is the size of your line. ठीक है, यहाँ से आप लाइन सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं जिस साइज की भी आपको लाइंस चाहिए. कैन सी हियर दिस इज बोल्ड and this is thin. Now select another shape. All right. Make the window. Draw the window of your picture. Now make the door. Okay, so this is your house. Now doing color. Click select color in the color group, purple. Okay, then come to the fill box. You can see here there is a fill box. Click the fill box. You can see here on your monitor, on your tab, fill box. अब जिस पार्ट में भी आपको जो कलर करना है, look at this. Okay, now select another color. Come to the fill box. All right. Select different color. Okay. Now select another color to fill your door. This is your house. Now how can we cut and copy this picture? First click the select option. Okay, if you want to remove the upper part of your picture, so first click the select option, then drag your mouse and select the part which you want to be cut. ठीक है, अगर आप ये पार्ट कट करना चाहते हैं, so first you click this part, select the area. All right. Now in the image, in the clipboard group, you can see here cut option. Click the cut option. You can see here this part is removed from here. All right. Now click the paste option. Paste option, you can see here paste option में ये आपका part मौजूद है. All right. Now how can we use copy option? First you click the select option, then drag your mouse and select the part which you want to be copy. Means अगर आप अपनी इस पिक्चर की duplicate करना चाहते हैं, so first select the part by the help of mouse like this. All right. Now go to the clipboard group and you can see here there is a copy option. Click the copy option. Now click the paste option. You can see here there is the duplicate of your picture. All right. Now how can we rotate our picture? अब हम अपनी पिक्चर को रोटेट भी कर सकते हैं, अपनी पिक्चर में आप एडिटिंग भी कर सकते हैं by the help of following options. You can see here in the image group resize option and rotate option. Rotate option is used to change the angle of your drawing. ठीक है, rotate option आप क्यों यूज करते हैं? जब आपको अपनी पिक्चर का एंगल चेंज करना होता है, so you can use the rotate option. First method is same. First click the select option. सबसे पहले आप जो भी काम करेंगे पेंट प्रोग्राम पर, first click the select option, then drag your mouse and select the part which you want to be rotate. All right. जो भी आपने पार्ट रिमूव रोटेट करना है, उसका एंगल को चेंज करना है, you can select the part. Now come to the image group. You can see here there is a rotate option. Okay, click this rotate option. You can see here rotate menu, in which you have seen different types of group: rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, rotate 180, and flip option is also available in the rotate menu, flip vertical and flip horizontal. Flip will give you the mirror image, ठीक है. अगर आपको अपनी पिक्चर की मिरर इमेज चाहिए, so you can use the flip option. So rotate right 90 degree, we select rotate right 90 degree, click this option. You can see here your picture is rotate, ठीक है. इसका एंगल क्या हो गया, चेंज हो गया. रोटेट ऑप्शन आप क्यों यूज करते हैं, जब आपको एंगल का साइज, एंगल का पिक्चर का एंगल चेंज करना होता है, सो यू कैन यूज द रोटेट ऑप्शन. फ्लिप ऑप्शन भी आप यूज करके देख लीजिए. फ्लिप विल गिव यू द मिरर इमेज. फ्लिप हॉरिजॉन्टल, select the flip horizontal. You can see here your picture is flip. All right. Okay students, now the next topic is resize of a drawing. You can resize your drawing by the following option. First click the select option, ठीक है. जो भी आपने काम करना है, सबसे पहले आप select option क्लिक करेंगे. First click the select option, then drag your mouse and select the part which you want to be resize. Resize mean increase or decrease in your size of picture. Picture के size में increase करना है आपको या decrease, so you can use the resize option. You can see here in the image group there is the resize option. Click this. Resize and skew dialog box appear on your monitor. You can see here this is the resize and skew dialog box. All right. Now if you want increase in the horizontal way, ठीक है, अगर आप अपनी पिक्चर की width चेंज करना चाहते हैं, so you write the new amount in horizontal box. ठीक है, width अगर आपको increase करनी है, so you write the new amount in the horizontal box. And if you want to increase in the vertical way, means आपको अपनी इसकी height increase करनी है, so you write the new amount in the vertical box. First click the maintain aspect ratio. Okay, then click the pixel option. Now you write the new amount in the horizontal box for increasing in width. Width increase करने के लिए you write the new amount in the horizontal box. I write here 200. और वर्टिकल में भी, वर्टिकल वे में आप जब आप इसमें यहाँ लिखेंगे for changing in height, height में changing करने के लिए you can write here 200. ठीक है. Now click the OK button. You can see here there is the OK button. You can see here your picture is resize. इसके width में और इसकी height में changing हो गई है. All right. Now how can we? The next one topic is skew drawing. All right. Skew drawing. Skew means twist. You have used the skew option to twist in your picture. Twist means मोड़ना. अपनी पिक्चर को आप ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं इन हॉरिजॉन्टल वे और वर्टिकल वे में. फर्स्ट क्लिक द सिलेक्ट ऑप्शन. ठीक है, ये सिलेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट हुआ हुआ है एंड पार्ट भी आप देख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट क्लिक द सिलेक्ट ऑप्शन, देन ड्रैग योर माउस एंड सिलेक्ट द पार्ट विच यू वांट टू बी स्क्यू. स्क्यू मीन ट्विस्ट. यू कैन यूज स्क्यू ऑप्शन टू चेंज टू स्क्यू इन हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल पोजिशन ऑफ योर पिक्चर. ओके. Now click the resize option, because resize option में ही आपके skew option मौजूद है. First click the resize option. Skew and resize dialog box appear on your monitor. Resize, इस dialog box में आपके resize के option भी हैं and below आप देख सकते हैं there is the skew option. If you want the skewness in horizontal way, ठीक है, horizontal position में अगर आपको skewness करनी है, so you write the new amount in degrees in horizontal box. And if you want the skewness in vertical position, so you write the new amount in degrees in vertical position. Okay. We write in horizontal. ठीक है, we want the skewness in horizontal way, so we write in horizontal box 20 degree. Okay, then click the OK button. You can see here there is OK button. You can see there is the skewness in your object. Okay students. Okay students, the next one topic is zoom in and zoom out option. Zoom in and zoom out option is used to see a larger or smaller view of your picture. आप अपने पिक्चर के smaller और larger view को देखने के लिए you can use the zoom in and zoom out option. Zoom in and zoom out option is available in the view tab. You can see here on the right side of the home tab. ठीक है, home option के right पर आप देख सकते हैं there is the view tab. Click this view tab. You can see there is the zoom group. All right, you can see here zoom in option and zoom out option. Zoom in option is used to see a larger view of your picture. अगर आपको अपनी पिक्चर का larger view देखना है, so you can use the zoom in option, and if you want to see the smaller view of your picture, you can use the zoom out option. Click the zoom in option. You can see here the view of your picture is larger. Okay. Now if you want to see the smaller view, so click the zoom out option. Okay. So this is the practical of your chapter Paint program. You can see here there is the bar. This bar is called the quick access toolbar. This bar is called the quick access toolbar, in which you can see here there is the, this is the undo button and this is the redo button. What is the purpose of undo button? Undo button is used to reverse the last action performed, and redo button is used to reverse the action of the undo command. Okay. So this is the practical performance of your Paint program. Now the last one topic is set as a desktop background. Desktop के background पर भी आप अपनी picture को set कर सकते हैं by the help of following option. You can see here there is the Paint button. You can click this Paint button. There is a menu. You can see here this menu. There is the option of set as a desktop background. All right, which give you more 3 options: fill, tile and center. If you want the fill view, so you click the fill option. Tile view, so you click the tile option, and if you want center view, so you click the center option. Now we click the tile view. Okay, tile view select करते हैं. First you must save your picture. ठीक है, आप सबसे पहले अपनी पिक्चर को सेव कर लीजिए. Okay friends, so you can see on the desktop the picture is set it. All right. Okay friend, you can see here your desktop पर आपकी picture set हो गई है. So this is the practical performance of your Paint program. I hope you have understand that how can we operate our Paint program. All right. Now, all right friends, you have seen that how can we operate Paint program practically. All right, now we move towards our next topic, which is undo and redo command. As I told you that undo command, undo button is used to reverse the last action performed. Means अपने कंप्यूटर पे आपने जो लास्ट में वर्क किया है उससे अगर आपको वापस लाना है, so you can use the undo button, and redo button is used to reverse the effect of the undo button. All right, so look at the definition. Okay friends, these are the remaining topic which you have seen practically. ठीक है, what is the purpose of undo and redo command? Undo command is used to reverse the last action performed, and redo command is used to reverse the action of the undo command. The next one is rotate or flip a drawing. Rotate option is used to change the angle of your drawing. ठीक है, ड्राइंग का जब एंगल आपको चेंज करना होता है, so you can use the rotate option. Next one is resize a drawing. Resize mean increase or decrease in your size. Resize option is also available in image group. You have seen practical skew a drawing. Next one is skew a drawing. Skew mean twist. ठीक है, you have used the skew option if you want the skewness in horizontal or vertical position. अगर आपको अपनी पिक्चर में skewness लानी है, उसमें थोड़ा सा खिंचाव मुड़ाव लेकर आना है, so you can use the skew option. ठीक है. Next one is set as a desktop background. You can see by practically that how can we set a picture desktop background. All right. Next one is zoom in and zoom out option. This is the last topic. That zoom in option is used to see a larger view. Zoom in option is used to see a larger view of your picture, and zoom out option is used to see the smaller view. I hope you have got it. Now look at your diary. To complete our work, from the given solution, page number is 22, 24 and 25. Okay. And memorize tricky terms of this chapter. Tricky terms from page number 22 and also practice your practical in at your home. ठीक है, अपने घर में आप प्रैक्टिकल की प्रैक्टिस करिए. Practice how can we operate test that. How can we operate PANT program? Okay students, I hope you have got it, but if you have any confusion, any doubt, so you keep watch this video again and again and must complete all work. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.